Hey, it's Bobby here from Star Airsoft, and today I'm going to be doing a review of the Heckler & Koch USP made by Umarex, the CO2 non-blowback. And here it is. A couple things I like about the gun is how the CO2 fits in it. With the little Allen wrench key you get, you unscrew this piece, and then you put your CO2 in there, and it takes like 2.5 turns. I'll show you that later. You can upgrade the spring where your BBs are if you want to. The sights are white dotted. I'm not sure of the name for that though. The grip has this diamond texture. It's pretty nice. I like the way it fits in my hand too. Has a little serial number on the bottom. And I like how it says it right there too. Heckler & Koch USP. But a couple things about it that's wrong. After a little while of having it, something in here will start shaking. It's not the magazine or the safety or this. I don't know if you can hear that, but I'm not sure what it is. But it'll start shaking inside the gun, but it doesn't affect it in any way. I'll be using a 0.2 gram BBs for a shooting test later. I'm also using Crossman CO2, and let's do it. I'm about to put CO2 in my gun. Oh, what do I do with that? Like I said before, it loads through the mag. I'm using Crossman CO2. Sorry if this is taking a little bit. Now, you just slide it in there. Put the end cap back on. The only reason I tried to see if it was leaking CO2 was because last time I did that, the first time I got it actually, it was leaking CO2 and I couldn't figure out why. And then I took the little end piece off. I figured out there's a piece of plastic lodged in there. Try it again. Overall, this is a good gun. I do recommend it. You can get it at Walmart again for $44.95, but extra magazines cost $14. That's not with shipping, so it might come to about $34 to order one magazine. Which I'm probably not going to order any magazines because I rarely do use this gun. Comment, thumbs up, subscribe.